Adun, you dramatic round potato. What is it this time? What made you burst into my room without knocking? When did this nonsense start with you, you imbecile? What if I was not properly dressed? I'm sorry, Mama Abeni. He was just overjoyed. For what? You know, since that last suitor came, for over 1 month now, no suitor has entered this compound. And so? Is my daughter a joke to you? Even if it takes 1 year, it is still acceptable by me. Oh, okay, Mama Baby. But they are already waiting for you, Ma. Tell them to wait. I am sleepy. When I wake up, I shall see them. And if they cannot wait, they should leave my compound. Now, Adun, roll out, just the way you rolled in like a ball kicked with left leg. Mama Abeni, I was thinking maybe you can just be sleeping and be attending to them at the same time. Really? Yes, nah. You know God gave me problem-solving skills. Of course. It is very obvious. Abeni? Problem-solving skills? Let us preserve them. There. Peace. You parrot. If another brilliant idea enters your head, fight it. That is where you will be until I wake up. At least your round, small mouth will rest a bit.
Good afternoon, Ma. It is an honor to stand inside your magnificent compound. I'm so happy to meet you, Ma.
And what happened? What brought you here?
I came to ask for your daughter Keji's hand in marriage, Ma.
My own Princess Keji. And you? Anyway, who is your father in this land?
My father is Falana, the native doctor.
The son of a native doctor? Oh! And you came to marry my daughter?
My father may be a healer, Ma, but we are respectable people. I work hard.
Work hard? Doing what?
I farm. I trade herbs and medicine also.
Herbs? You want to feed Keji with herbs?
I intend to provide for her well, Ma.
Provide? Tell me, what house do you own? How many farms? How many workers? If my daughter falls sick, can your herbs buy her comfort?
I may not be wealthy like you. Even
May not? You are not, and you can never be.
I love your daughter. And I think that is what a good mother would want for her child.
Really? Love? You brought love to my compound? My daughter wears cloth worth more than your entire inheritance. You speak of love as though love repairs leaking roofs. Will love employ servants? Will love protect her dignity? Will love keep her from suffering?
I may not have your wealth, but I have honor. And I would honor her.
Honor. You entered this compound with empty hands and big courage. Now leave with both.
Mama Abeni.
I said leave but this compound now! This woman? Leave now! Go and marry where love is enough.
May God soften the pride wealth has built around your heart.